Hello, and welcome to this week's Let's Talk Meshings Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we demonstrate how you can quickly toggle the visibility of various grid, database, and source entities by using the additional toolbar shortcuts introduced with Pointwise version 18 Release 4. All of the toolbar shortcuts that provide controls for toggling the visibility of various entities within Pointwise are included in the default set of View Toolbar shortcuts. You can enable this set of shortcuts by simply right-clicking on the toolbar and selecting the set labeled View in the contextual menu that appears. Alternatively, you can enable this set by selecting View from the toolbar submenu located beneath the View menu. The first in the list, ShowHide All, allows you to quickly toggle the visibility of all of the entities in your Pointwise project. An icon with an X, surrounded by the shape of an eye overlaying the toolbar shortcut, indicates that visibility is toggled off for the corresponding entities. In this case, visibility is toggled off for all entities. Clicking on this toolbar shortcut again toggles on the visibility for all entities in your Pointwise project, including the blue XYZ axis and drawing guide, which are toggled off by default. Also, the icon for the toolbar shortcut is updated accordingly to indicate visibility of the corresponding entities is now toggled on. Similar options exist, allowing you to control the visibility for grid entities such as domains, connectors, and their nodes. You can also individually toggle the visibility of database and any source entities that you may have in your Pointwise project. If your project includes any overset grid assembly data, such as whole, orphan, and fringe markers, then you can toggle the visibility of them on and off with the Show Overset option. The visibility of the red rotation and blue XYZ axes can be turned on or off by using their respective toolbar shortcuts as well as the drawing guide. If you like this video, then be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, then drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter using the link in this video's description. Thank you and have a pleasant Tuesday.